Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making garden egg sauce. This traditional meal is packed with a lot of flavors and super easy to make. You can pair it with rice, yam, plantain, or even potatoes. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Get your garden egg, rinse and cut them into smaller pieces. This will enable you to cook faster. You don't want to spend all your time in the kitchen, so this part is necessary. Now set it aside. So while getting ready to cut the garden eggs, I had already put some water on to boil. All I'm going to do right now is to add the plantain and the garden egg to the pot, cover and let it cook. Don't forget to add salt. We are keeping this simple and going the traditional way, but if you have a blender, you can bring it out. A food processor or a chopper will be better because you want this to be roughly blended and not smooth. Right now, the garden egg is ready. I will transfer it to the mortar and keep pounding. If your garden egg is very soft, this process should take about 3 to 5 minutes and you're done. So make sure you boil the garden egg until it is very soft. Like I said earlier, you can use your food processor to achieve this or a blender, but don't blend it to be too smooth. You still want to have a rough texture just like this. All done, so let's get straight into the cooking process. Heat up some oil in a pot, add the garden egg mixture, stir this and let it cook on extreme low heat until oil floats on top. After about 3 minutes, this is what you should have. Give it a good mix and it's time to season this to perfection. Add some salt and seasoning cubes. Because I've already added crayfish, I did not add any more. But if you want, you can add more. No matter how rich I am, I don't add meat or fish to my beans. And it's the same principle for this sauce. I just like to keep it simple. But if you want, go ahead to add any protein of your choice at this point. For some crunch, I sliced up some onions and added it in. I'm going to cover this for a little while. This should take about 1 minute, and I open this up again and the garden egg sauce is ready. You still want the onions to retain its crunch. It is more enjoyable that way. This is best served while it's hot. You can pair with rice, yam, potato and plantain. So what would you like to pair this with? Just let me know in the comment section. And if you've watched up to this point, what are you waiting for? Just like this video, drop a comment, share with someone that needs it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you in advance.